afternoon, whatever time you're watching, welcome or welcome back to my channel. And for today's video is another clothing haul, but today I will be featuring another brand. I have collaborated with the brand Berlook. If you guys are not familiar, so Berlook is a clothing brand that is sustainable. So meaning all the fabrics, all the clothing pieces are all the materials used in order to create these beautiful clothing pieces are very sustainable. They are from recycled materials, so very eco-friendly itong brand na to. I'm so happy that they reached out to me, and even though I was a little bit skeptical about the brand because I am not familiar with it, but with their advocacy for being an eco-friendly brand and of course a sustainable clothing brand, I decided to check out their product. So if you want to know my thoughts about these products, then please keep on watching. But before we proceed to the actual video, I just want to say that I'm really sorry for not uploading in a very long time kasi nagiging busy na rin ako right now with school since medyo 50% face-to-face na ako. But from time to time, I really find ways na makapag-vlog pa rin ako in simple ways. Like ito, sana ma-appreciate niyo pa din to. Medyo nagigilty na ako na hindi ako nakaka-upload weekly, but I'm really sorry. I'm really trying my best to upload here on my YouTube channel. Ang dami kong segue. I just want to promote my small business, which is Decent Fragrances. Again, walang bottle sa akin dito, pasensya na. But yes, we're still available on Shopee for cash on delivery. Ito yung details. So yeah, without further ado, let's start this video. Makikita nyo sa bawat, what do you call this? Parang clothing card na nakakabit dun sa bawat clothing piece. Makikita nyo kung ano yung mga recycled materials na ginamit. So very transparent naman sila about it. Really love the packaging because it really comes with this recyclable pouch. Ito yung itsura niya. So ayan yung natanggap ko siya. But now that I have tried it on and opened it, and I'm really happy to tell you na lahat, as in lahat ng smallest size nila, nagkasya sa akin. It fits me perfectly, especially yung sa mga swimwear. Rika 15 for 15% off if ever may magustuhan kayo dito. So, my theme for this video is that I really wanted a minimalist spring kasi malapit na ang spring. And I wanted na medyo muted pa rin yung colors. But at the same time, there are colors kasi I know I have been sharing a lot of black and white neutrals here on my channel. So para I'm really slowly bringing colors inside my closet. I picked 5 swimwear from them. Lahat sila mga bodysuits kasi feeling ko lang nagkukulang na ako sa bodysuits. And I also got 5 dresses, actually 4 dresses and 1 clothing piece from them. So let's now proceed with the swimwear. The first one that I will be sharing with you is the one that I am wearing. I am so in love with this piece. This one is a one piece. You'll see it properly on the try-on. And it's low back. Ganun siya. I really like the design because I'm leaning towards the very basic, medyo elevated basics as you call it. Medyo pricey itong brand na to, but I think it's very worth it considering na wala akong inalter dito sa mga clothing pieces na to. Kaya I'm really happy to tell you guys na sobrang worth it nung money nyo dito. As in, parang sabi ko, ganito pala talaga pag mga premium kinds of clothing. It's not your typical white na very manipes, very high quality, very premium feels considering naman for its price, I could say na very nice talaga and very worth it yung money nyo. For our next item, I got this brown na one piece. And sabi ko nga sa inyo, lahat ng kinuha ko is one piece. I just wanted a clothing piece that I can use for a daily basis. Something that I can wear as a swimwear and something that I can wear for a casual wear. Like this top, hindi nyo akalain na swimwear siya if pinatungan ko yan ng pants. Second na one piece, I got this color, this solid color na brown. I really wanted the plain ones talaga. Sabi ko, if meron man akong kukunin sa kanila, I wanted something na very elevated basic. Something that I can repeat and is very nice for casual wear, as in yung all around ko talaga, and masusulit talaga yung money nyo if ever man na bibili kayo. I really recommend these pieces. And ito nga yung brown nila, same lang din yung texture niya from this white one. Meron siyang parang ribbon details at the side and meron siyang cutout. You'll see it properly on the try-on. You can wear it in a lot of ways talaga. Pwede nga siyang pang inner na clothing piece. If ever, like, you can put on a blazer or whatsoever. It depends on how you style it. So, ito, adjustable yung straps niya and detachable siya. So, definitely, I would wear it as a usual na tube top or pa-bando top kasi I really like it. Mas flattering sa body type ko yung mga bando top, especially na di ganun kalakihan yung bust area ko. I don't know, mas feeling ko lang mas nafa-flatter yung katawan ko sa mga bando tops or like mga tube tops. So, yeah, I really like it. It's a high cut na one piece as well. It will elongate your legs. So, yun yung isa pa sa kagandahan pag mga one piece. Make sure to get yung mga high cuts talaga. For our third swimwear, ito, I really love this because, syempre, hindi mawawala ang color black dito sa collection na to. This is definitely gonna be my go-to swimwear if ever. Yung tipong I just wanna chill na swimming and wala namang ganap. Without hesitation na baka magka-wardrobe malfunction kayo. These are very fitted, body-hugging sila. And it's a backless type as well. Meron siyang detalye sa likuran. And it also comes with pads, by the way, kahit itong white na suot ko and yung brown na pinakita ko kanina. So, that's a plus point for me. Kasi mas gusto ko yung may mga built-in na pads na talaga para hindi na ako mag-i-insert pa ng pads or mag-nipple tape on the inside. So, I really like it. The stitching is very high quality. There's not much I could say about it. It's just a 10 out of 10 for me. For our next na swimwear, and this one is a two-toned naman, but it's in the neutral piece pa rin. Ito yung skin tone, and then meron siyang color na chocolate brown. Meron siyang tali na kasama right here. You can tie it on your waist, tapos masicinch in talaga yung waist nyo depending on your liking. So that's a plus point for me because I like clothing pieces na nasa-cinch in yung waist ko. Because gusto ko talaga yung nafa-flatter yung pinaka-curve area ko kasi wala ko masyadong hips. For our last swimwear, I really love this because this really screams the spring vibe for me. This is the pop of color that I would say na I'm really into, and I feel like medyo flattering sa akin ang color na to, and maraming nakakapagsabi na, oh, you look good in this color, and that is in the color orange. Adjustable din yung straps niya, and wala rin akong alter na ginawa dito, guys. May pads na rin siyang kasama. Now, let's proceed naman sa mga dresses or pwedeng pang cover up sa mga kinuha kong mga one piece. Oversized na polo, but this one is a linen clothing naman. I have a oversized na white polo, pero yung fabric niya is more on like a silky synthetic na fabric. It's not cotton, yung medyo madulas and medyo manipis. I don't know what you call that. Nakalimutan ko na yung tawag. But anyway, and free size siya. And what I love about this is that yung design niya is parang medyo mahaba at the back side. Tapos medyo maikse. And then meron siyang mini slits on the side. So, I really like it. Very nice talaga for cover up to and for beach looks. Especially for the clothing pieces or like the swimwear that I got that I showed you earlier. Perfect na perfect tong cover up na to. And definitely, I will be abusing this one. For our second clothing that I got, I have here a army green. Sabi ko sa inyo, I'm putting on more colors, pero more of like the muted, minimalist spring kind of colors, like the green, orange, something like that. So this one is the muted green, which is the army green or a rusty green. You can never go wrong with a slip dress. You guys know, ang dami-dami ko ng slip dress na pinakita dito sa channel ko. Ang dami ko na rin paulit-ulit. Same design but different colors lang talaga. It's just that sobrang flattering kasi talaga ng slip dress sa akin. I don't know, it really makes me feel very feminine and very classy and elegant. Very thick yung pagka-silk niya because you guys know it. Ang medyo on the pricier side sila. Makikita nyo naman. And this is not your typical na silk na parang kung ano yung silk sa labas, yun din on the inside as you can see naman. So, alam nyo na very premium feels yung mga ganito. Is this orange? And to be honest, I was debating on whether getting this one or another dress na nakita ko. But I ended up getting this one because feeling ko wala akong ganito masyado. Yung mga tipong very loose, parang karamihan ng pinapakita ko dito sa channel ko, very fitted. And really tried out this dress. It's because feeling ko lang ang ganda niya pag nasa beach. Yung very chill vibes kind of look. Ayan, very flowy lang yung material niya. It's in the color rustic orange or burnt orange. Tama ba ako? Basta something like that. Parang yung color niya is leaning towards the burnt orange na or like the brown color. I really like it. It's very minimalist, yung very shala vibes lang, very premium. And what I love about this is meron siyang pockets. So definitely I'll wear this sa beach. I see me wearing it sa mga rest house, resorts, or beach, something like that. So I really need a vacation right now so that I can wear this, take pics, or whatever. Is a silver clothing piece, another silk dress. Alam nyo, you'll never go wrong with silks talaga. I can assure you that. And this one is more silkier as compared to the orange one because ito medyo mas may velvety texture siya. So I could say na mas silkier siya. It's in the silver color and bibihira lang ako makakita ng ganitong color. As you can see naman, ito yung white. This one is like gray, silver in color. But what I love about this the most is meron siyang slit sa gitna, which is very unique. I feel like lahat ng slit nasa gilid, nasa likod. So, ito nasa gitna mismo. So, pag naglalakad ka, dun makikita talaga or ma-emphasize yung pinaka-slit niya sa harapan. And it's just very ethereal, very dreamy yung vibes neto. So, I really recommend this as well. So, for our last clothing piece is definitely my favorite out of all the clothing pieces that I got. And sobrang worth it natin. I feel like ito yung pinaka-expensive as well. And magugulat kayo sa price na ito pag chinek nyo sa description box. I did not expect that to be that expensive, but I really went for it and tried it. And definitely worth it talaga siya. Alam niyo yung fabric na parang canvas? Ganun siya. And the design, I did not alter this dress at all. Kung ano yung nakuha ko, fresh out of the packaging, ito siya, makikita nyo sa try-on. So, this one is a long dress, as you can see, na meron siyang cutout sa likod. Super nice yung back details niya. I really love it. Doon ako na-in-love dun sa pinaka-back details niya. And sobrang premium yung feels na tong dress na to. As you can see, garterized yung pinakalikod niya. Sobrang ganda ng dress na to. As in, it's a long dress talaga na canvas. As you can see, super duper kapal. As in, I highly recommend it. Yeah, that's about it for our video. And thank you again to Berlook for sponsoring this video. Of course, please do not forget to support Decent Fragrances. So yeah, thanks so much for watching this video. I know hindi na ako ganun ka-active as before, but I'm really trying my best to upload from time to time whenever I could. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that bell button to get you notified every time I post a new video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!